It's all over now.
Or is it?
No! No! Hiccup!
He's my best bud. I want him to be happy. Besides, it's just until he brings her back.
Never babysitting, I've been lining up shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. Just you get a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. I wave a few bottles, then I walk.
Costura, choca mi cintura, estamos en altura, mi amor. Estamos en altura, baby, choca mi temperatura. Choca mi temperatura. Ay, con las otras navegas. Me voy contigo. Con las otras navegas. Me voy contigo. Con las otras navegas.
Well, good morning, Mr. Bossy.
Till now.
Guys, this was supposed to be a drill. Do you have to turn it into a game?
Don't we always?
Fair point. We're dead. Toothless. Down. Gently. See? Nothing to be afraid of. Toothless.
Hey, your dragon just shot at us.
Yes, I know. I told him to. What are you looking at? Oh, yeah, just go. Last leg. Don't laugh, Toothless. You're above that.
Okay, so you're the hero no matter what, and I'm the muttonhead.
Exactly.
Shut up, everybody.